Good morning, YouTube family. Happy Vlogmas. Hey babes, welcome to my Vlogmas giveaway where 2 lucky winners will be winning $50 Amazon gift cards. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to my channel, I'm alerted when you do, and engage on all of my Vlogmas videos. The more you do, the more entries for you. Good luck! Hello guys, I am so excited. Today is the day that I've been waiting for a very long time. Me and my girls are going, so first off, I'm in Colorado. Me and 2 of my friends are going to this train ride through the mountains called Georgetown Loop. I'm so excited. I'm sure you guys have seen this infamous video that's been floating around Instagram of this girl that went to Georgetown Loop, and she's like out of the window and you see the snow on all the mountains and everything, and it's just like, it looks like something out of a movie. It looks like something out of the Polar Express Black Girl Edition. And so the moment I saw it, I was like, I want to go there, and I want the same angles, and I want the same seat, and I want everything. And so she let everyone know, she let us know what seat she was sitting in and everything. And so we are going to recreate that, because what girl does not want to go to the Polar Express? And it's also going to be like the perfect time for us to catch up and talk and just kind of like just reminisce, because I haven't seen my girls in like a year or two. I think it's been 2 years, so we got a lot to catch up on. We've talked, but we haven't like seen each other, like laid eyes on each other. So I'm excited. So let me show you guys my outfit, okay? Because it's going to be 13 degrees out there, so your girl want to be warm. So this is what I'm thinking. Originally, I wasn't wearing these black tights underneath this skirt. I had like some, like the fleece line skin looking tights on, but they weren't thick enough, and they had like this weird seam that was going down the back, and I didn't like that. So I decided to put those on, of course, because it's gonna be cold. But I put these, like, my black regular black tights over them, and they have pockets, so that way I'll be able to like put my phone and stuff in my pocket and everything. But this is what I'm going with. I was gonna tuck this in, like tuck this into the skirt, but I had to like rig the skirt because it was like really shorter in the back and like longer in the front. So I turned it around so that it'll be longer in the back. And so now the zipper is in the front, and then I couldn't get it to zip all the way because it's like a really cheap zipper. So I like tucked it into my pants. It's weird. But so I don't think I'm gonna tuck my shirt in, but let me show you guys my jacket that I'm wearing. I'm gonna like tie it up and close it, but this is what it looks like. And how cute is this freaking jacket? Like, what? It is so cute. This is like the cutest jacket. But I have this, and then I have like a little like headband, like a big fuzzy headband that goes with this. And then I'm wearing earmuffs and my gloves, and yeah, your girl like came through with this outfit. So that's what I'm wearing. But I'm going to show you guys like the full fit when we get there, but I want it to be warm and I want it to be cute, because like I said, it's gonna be 13 degrees out there, and I was just like, Colorado, I do not miss that. So now I'm just waiting on my friends to get here, and then we're gonna be headed to Georgetown Loop. I'm so excited.
And get nowhere, literally.
I gotta go down to the right.
So I need you to come out in these streets. I don't need no parking lot.
So y'all, we didn't make it to Georgetown Loop.
We trying to make it. We trying to make it through Colorado Springs.
After passing like 4 accidents and the snow picking up and the man being mean on the phone, we decided to just do something else. He was very rude. So yeah, we look cute though.
Hey, this car need to chill.
I couldn't stop.
Lord have mercy.
Oh, Jesus.
Y'all, we are fighting for our lives in this car. Driving Kayla crazy.
Look at all the cars over there.
Yep, so we just got out of that. Kayla, she is the snow driver over here navigating us out of this. If it wasn't for her, we'll still be.
Oh my.
I got the video.
Y'all.
We were sitting in this line for like 20 minutes because the hill, nobody could get up.
Not them back here complaining to their men.
So no, it's like all the cars just turned like facing each other because they're sliding. Nobody hit each other. Thank
Do you
God.
see this?
So Kayla's just
Boot up.
getting real slow. She's going
Complaining.
like we weaving.
Alexis, how you feel?
I'm trying to get my nerves back under me. Okay? This drive.
After yelling the whole ride, Kayla, how you feel?
My nerves bad.
After getting us through? Ooh, y'all, I don't know about this.
Oh nah, I don't know about this.
Oh my God. Hold on, y'all. Kayla, where you at? Where you at?
Y'all play. I'll let y'all get y'all
I forgot bad girl, you so savage. Don't be selfish.
We smiling? Got the hang of it all.
A little too crazy. Can't get enough of you, baby.
Go, Kayla, go.
Baby, I forgot
baby. She said she was good.
All right, let's do it, girl. We got 15 minutes. Go, Lex, go. Look at her go. You okay, sis? What did you hit? The metal thing? The metal part?
No, I didn't hit it. Like I raised it. No, my knee went this way. Like something.
Oh, you popped something.
Yeah. Oh no.
Does it have to stretch it out?
It's a rough day.
It really is. It really is. Oh my God. At least we making memories. My friend's hurt, y'all. Girl, you think you gotta go to the hospital?
My girl, her hair is hurt.
You should have just let us record you. You got right to the finish line.
Y'all, look, this morning was scary. Let's go down.
Oh my God. Ah, Jesus.
It still hurt?
Yes. Go past like 10
Oh my God.
Okay.
That was starting to sweat.
Take this jacket off. I don't mean to laugh. Oh my goodness. My friend, y'all.
Oh my God.
It's your poster.
I don't want to.
Is your phone still recording? Kayla thought she was a figure skater.
She said, I got it, guys.
Not her.
Came in and like said be careful.
It's cold in there.
Baby, I think I broke something.
It just ain't
I
good.
need that though, because I'm hot.
Taylor, come on, we gotta go one more round.
Girl, she is okay.
Gotta shake it off.
we can thug it out for this next
Y'all
one.
can thug it out. I'm done.
Hold on, okay. Hold on, Kayla. How you feel, sis? You okay? Kayla, explain to the people what happened.
I was doing good and I wasn't.
We're at the movie theaters, get ready to watch Wicked and get us something to eat and drink. We're at the bar. We didn't go to Georgetown Loop because it was a lot of like snow on the road, a lot of traffic, and a lot of accidents. And we were already like running late, so we couldn't rush. So we decided to go ice skating. And then we went to a movie, or we're going to a movie to see Wicked.
Tell them about having an ice skate.
Kayla hurt herself. We were all going to sit down. We went across fine. Everybody went across the middle fine. We went to sit down. Hi. Lemon drop. Do you have different flavors of the lemon drop? Like a peach lemon drop?
I can maybe throw some like peach schnapps in there. That
Okay.
sounds good.
Yeah, that's fine. I can do that.
Can I do a Caribbean queen?
We made it across the middle fine. We were just killing it. Then we went to sit down, and Kayla decided, for whatever reason, she wanted to do a video of herself without us recording. So she set her phone up, and she made it down and back. And then as soon as she was getting off, ow! The knee went one way, and the body went the other way. And so,
Oh my God.
so now... You wanted me to tell it, so I'm gonna tell her how I seen it. So now my girl is in pain. She calling TRICARE. She is hurting. Okay,
I'm not having a good time.
and she mad. She probably wanna cuss us out, but it wasn't our fault because we was sitting. So
I got too confident.
she got too confident.
Gonna
So
stop. Look, that was me. Had to hit the wall.
cheers. Cheers to being reunited again. 2 years. Oh, that's strong. Oh, that's real strong.
Mine's good.
Mine good, but it's strong.
Can I have a bag of ice?
A bag of ice.
She hurt her leg.
Oh,
This is white. Oh, no, it's not. It's a color. No, it ain't. This is definitely white.
Alright. I thought we was pouring it in our ingredients. I'm trying to have like a shot now.
Oh, okay. We're pouring it down.
No, because then we can't take it like a shot. Alright. Cheers. Mm-mm. Oh God.
That was easy. Oh, you don't drink.
That was so strong.
I didn't even taste it.
It tastes like mustard.
Mustard.
I didn't even finish it.
Oh, dang. That was real smooth.
It was alright. I don't know how smooth, but
Alright, you ready?
yeah, let's
Yep.
do it. We made it.
Barely for her.
Barely. So we're in here about to get ready to watch our movie. We're about to see Wicked. This is my second time seeing it. Me and Alexis just took a shot, and I am okay. Like that shot and this altitude has really like taken over. And I still have this much of my like lemon drop left. So we'll see how this goes. But we're getting ready to like order food. Look guys, they have like Wicked drinks, the Elfie and the Glinda, and Wicked popcorn. Alright guys, we're in the movie.
In the new dramatic thriller Homestead, during a rapid collapse of society, a rich man's mountain comedy.
We're going with it. Blessings all for my life, and my thank God for the
He's dead.
See you guys.
You will pay for this with your life.
Remember that time you was in my car?
Me and Alexis had like just cranked the car up, and you know how the car try to play your music?
Yeah.
It played my voice notes. And I was trying to sing.
Your fault, yo. The betrayal.
Girl, I could not turn it. I couldn't turn it down for the life of me. Oh my god.
I ain't never had a note start playing.
Me either. Aww, no. It's time for me to go. I'll see you in 2 more years.
No, girl.
You hear that? Say it again.
25 and moving to DC.
I got proof. You covered Kayla with this hat. Aww. All right.
Good seeing you.
Y'all better come up there and see me for real. Okay. Alright guys, we are back in the room. Oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much fun with my girls. Like, I miss them so very much. Like, but we had so much fun. Wicked was really good. That was my second time seeing it this week. And then I got to see it a third time when I get back to Maryland, as promised, to someone very special. My husband. But yeah, even though we didn't get to go to Georgetown Loop, like, we still had fun. It was still like a lot of fun. We were able to go to a lot of places and just have a good time, and so it was really fun. But y'all, the food at that movie theater was really good. Like, the nachos were good. I didn't leave like a drop. I ate every single bit of those nachos, and then I had a strawberry cheesecake, and then I had some salt and vinegar popcorn, which I had never had before, and it was so good. And then we had 2 drinks. I had 2 drinks and a shot, which almost took me out, as you guys saw. So, but we had so much fun. I just hate that my girl like hurt her knee. She is gonna be going to the hospital tonight. She didn't want us to come with her because she knew I had a flight tomorrow, and she said she's just gonna take us home and try to go. So I hope she gets the care that she needs. We said a prayer. But yeah, nonetheless, we had a great time. So I'm now back in my hotel room. I'm about to get ready to call my babies and pack up these clothes and get ready to head to the airport tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.